All right, now we're back, and we're going to be talking about decentralized exchanges a little bit more. I'm going to show you how to use a decentralized exchange, and how to connect your wallet. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. Hold up. Let me fix this. There we go. Okay. All right, that's good. Sorry. All right, so what do we have here? This is Uniswap. So when you first go, you see my Chrome works slow sometimes, so I'm hoping it don't work too slow. So Uniswap. See, it's moving slow. What happened? Oh, there we go. Uniswap.org. Let's press enter. I don't know why my Chrome is moving slow, but Safari they don't support the extension for MetaMask. I don't know why. I've never really looked into that. But because they don't support the extension for MetaMask, and also when you use Safari to go to Uniswap, they don't have like where you can scan your wallet. They only have the wallet link. So this is where it brings you to when you go to uniswap.org. This is the site, and we just want to sign in, and we want to choose MetaMask wallet. Okay. On your phone, the same screen is going to pop up like in your phone if you go to your wallet, and then it's the one to the right. It's a circle. It looks like the internet. It's a circle with the little compass in the middle. You click that, you just type in uniswap.org. They also have an app that you can download if you want to use Uniswap. But like I was saying, when you use Uniswap, you have to go to the main pool where it's like a pending transaction for all of the transactions that are going forward. And because you're in the main pool and it's pending and everybody can see, somebody can deploy a bot on the blockchain. And when they deploy a bot on the blockchain to watch the main pool, they can front run you, like I was saying. And that's the purpose of using Gbot. And Gbot is also gasless. So, hold on, let me grab a token address here. Let me just get a token address right quick. Okay, because we're going to need a token address to do what we want to do. So, wait, yeah. Let me see. Gee whiz. Let me get a token address right quick. Alright. I'm looking on Telegram. I don't think you guys can see it, but I'm trying to find a token that's EVM. Using Gbot token scanner right now. And here we go. Here's one. Alright, let's copy this address. And you want the contract address. Alright, so right here we're going to be swapping ETH to a token. If you want to sell, you would do the reverse. And you can always pop in an address right here. And of course, we're not going to buy this token. I'm just doing this just to show you. The token pops up. It gives you a warning to let you know that anybody can deploy a token, and that's what it was saying, that you understand that you're uploading this token on your own sense. You've done your thorough research and you're at your own risk. So then you would just put in the amount that you want to buy, and it would basically tell you how much of the token you're getting back, and you would say, okay. It shows you what the gas fee is on base, it's 1 cent for gas right now. Compared to on Ethereum, it would be a lot more expensive. So then you push trade, and then the trade will go through, and then you would get a screen, and you confirm it like we did it before, you know. So that's how you do that. That's how you do that on Uniswap. The same way you did it over on that we did it before. When you confirm a transaction, something will pop up saying you're gonna confirm it, and then pending transaction, and it goes through. All right, so let's talk about liquidity pools a little bit. I don't know how much time I got, but I want to go into liquidity pools because liquidity pools are really important. So, what is a liquidity pool? So, when you add tokens to a pool on a DEX, like right now, this is a DEX, right? You become a liquidity provider, LP. By contributing tokens to a pool, you help make trades possible, and in return, earn a portion of the trading fees. So, like, let's say you bought some token, and then you want to come here and you want to create a new position for a token. You would do it right here. But let's look at some pools first. We're gonna go over that at another time. So here's some pools right here. USDC to ETH, and anybody can contribute to any of these pools. And you know, based off of how much trading volume they have and how much volume you input to the token, you get paid fees based off of the trades. You know, and then you can go and you can withdraw those fees anytime you want. Okay. So one thing that you do have to look out for, though, when with liquidity pools and setting up liquidity pools to, you know, get paid off of those fees, is impermanent loss. Now, you have to put this in perspective, right? You use Gbot and Gemach tools to find out when a token is supplied, so then you're the first person to buy it. So you buy the token, or somebody says, hey, I'm about to launch this token, this is the address, so you can look at the contract, blah, 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 blah. I don't know if anybody's going to do that, but they might. And then you put it in the token sniper, or somebody launches a token, you hear about it early, and you're going to buy some of the supply early. You don't even have to be using Gbot. Somebody can just tell you, or you can be doing your research, find a token that's undervalued or low market cap, and you buy a large portion of it. And then you put the equivalent, or you provide liquidity so people can trade. Okay? One of the things that you have to look out for is impermanent loss. You know, because let's take a step back. Without somebody providing liquidity, Ethereum, and whatever the token is, you won't be able to trade the token. Okay? Like we were saying before. But impermanent loss, which is the potential loss incurred when the value of tokens inside the pool changes compared to holding them outright. The more volatile the assets in the pool, the greater the potential impermanent loss. The loss becomes impermanent because it can diminish if prices return to their original values. Okay? So that's impermanent loss, and that's one of the things that you kind of have to look out for. You have to watch the prices and different things like that. Okay? Let's see where we at. Yep, we're going to stop this video, and then we're going to get back in the next one. We're going to go over yield farming and lending and a few other things. But until then.